11 persons P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z are sitting in a straight line facing north, but not necessarily in the same order. What is the total strength? 11. Everybody is sitting in a line facing north. The number of persons sitting to the left of P is 2 less than the number of persons sitting to the right of Y. Y who is to the right of P. Y who is to the right of P. Total number of people in the 11. Okay, 11. What the number of persons sitting to the left of P is 2 less than the number of persons sitting to the right of Y. Right of Y. Left of P is less by what number? 2. Then right of Y. Ante to the right of Y 100% guarantee there should be minimum 2 people. Avuna kada? If the right of Y are 2 people, if right of Y are 2 people, then left of P should be 0. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? Moreover, Y is to the right of P. Minimum number right of Y is 2. If I have 3 people to the right of Y, left of P only 1 person. 4 people to the right, 2 people. 5 people here, 3 here. అర్థమవుతుందా? If I take Y here, how many are to the right of Y? 6. Left of P there should be 5. You cannot put P here. ఎందుకు చెప్పు? Y is to the right of P. Did you understand this particular clue here? Is this clear to you all? Next line. 3 persons are sitting between P and X. How many persons? 3 persons are sitting between P and X. Z sits third to the right of U. Z sits third to the right of U. 3 persons are sitting between P and X. 3 people between P and X. Done? Next. Neither P nor U sit at the extreme ends of the lines. Neither P nor U sitting at the extreme ends of the lines. Ante P can be in the second place from left, third place from left, fourth place from left. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? Next line. 2 persons are sitting between T and S. How many persons between T and S? 2 persons. Next. W is to the immediate left of T. W is to the immediate left of T. V is to immediate to neither Z nor U. V is immediate to neither Z nor U. V is immediate to neither Z nor U. Next, at least 5 persons are sitting between V and R. R who does not sit at any extreme ends of the lines. At least how many people? 5 persons. Minimum 5 persons. Ante at least 5 persons are sitting between V and R. Minimum. At least ante minimum is nothing but greater than or equals to 5. Yes or no? So minimum greater than or equals to 5 people between V and R. Am I done with all the clues? Yes or no? I'm done with all the clues. How to start the question now? How should I start this question? Because none of the given clues are helping us. None of the given clues are helping us. Ante kadamma? Now which is the best way to start? Amma? 5 persons between V and R. So let's start with P and Y. Because that is the only possibility. If you can fix P and Y, I can fix X kada. After fixing X, you can go for U and Z. Then later we'll go for V and R. Because all the clues are connected. All the clues are interconnected. So P is not sitting at the extreme ends. Can this be P? If this is P, this has to be Y kada. Cheppandamma. 3 persons between P and X, only one possibility. U and Z, and U is not sitting in the corner. U is not sitting in the corner. What are the possibilities for U? Where should I go for U? Can I go for U here? Cheppandamma. Can I go for U here? Then this is V. Amma? Sorry. That is Z. Next. This is very important here. T and W. అవునా కదా? Because P and W are adjacent. You see, if this is U, if this is Z, this is the only place you can go for T and W. అవునా కదా? Wherever you take T, there are two persons between T and S. Will it be a possibility for me for? No. Ante we have gone wrong. Where did we go wrong? P and Y. Next possibility, P and how many to the right of Y? 4. And this is Y. Avuna kada? How many persons between P and X? 3. Do you have a possibility? No. This has also gone wrong. This is P, 3 people to the left of P. Right of Y, there should be 5 people. Avuna kada? 3 people between P and X, left side of P, it is not possible. It should be to the right side. Tell me what are the possibilities for U. Where can I go for U and Z? Can I take U here? Come on, come on. 2 persons between U and Z. Is this clear? What is the possibility for T and W? If I put T and W here, no way. 2 people between T and S. Can I put W here? Can I put T here? Can I take S here? Yes. Avuna kada? Next, more than how many people are sitting? Amma? More than 5 people? Amma? More than 5 people are sitting between V and R. Where should I go for V? Amma? Left side lo last. See, U is not adjacent to V kada. Cheppandi amma. Amma? R is to the right of V. Impossible. Am I getting the answer? No. See, this is where you need to have some patience. This is where you need to have some patience. Left of P, 4. Right of Y, how many? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. వస్తుందా? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. రావట్లేదు. ఎట్లా మరి? ఎక్కడ జరిగింది పొరపాటు? మళ్ళీ చెప్తా, జాగ్రత్త వినండి అమ్మా. Left of P, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is Y. అర్థమవుతుందా? 3 people between Q and X. I'll tell you one point, listen. Earlier what I have done is, I have taken U here and I have taken Z here. Is this the only possibility for U and Z? No. There was also another possibility. Nobody identified that. Yes or no? If this is missing, what is the next place for U and Z? Can I go for U here? And this can be Z. Pakka kada? Maatladallamma. T and W. Where should I go for T and W? This is T, this is W. 2 persons between T and S. V is not an immediate neighbor of Z. Pakka this is V. More than how many people between? Ma? Minimum 5. At least 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I go for R here? Yes or no? 100% yes. I can't take R here because R is not sitting at the extreme ends. So last line. R who does not sit at the end of the rows. Who is left out? Amma? Who is left out? Q and A? Yes, Q. Is this clear to you all? Everyone? Any doubts? This is what I say. You need to have patience when you solve any question. How many possibilities we have checked? We have checked 4 possibilities. How many possibilities? 4. But finally, did we get the answer? Yes. Ma, chudandi. If you find this question in the exam, you have to do it. Why should you do it? Because this is only on seating arrangement. This is only on seating arrangement. Moreover, everybody is facing same direction. Avuna kada? Do you have anything extra to distribute? They like 11 different colors or 11 different cities. Atlantidi em ledhu kada. Only seating arrangement and everybody is facing same direction. Ante ee question manam exam lo cheyali. Is this clear? Who sits at the extreme left end of the row? Ma? W. How many persons are sitting between V and Q? How many between V and Q? How many between V and Q? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. More than? Who is to the immediate right of S? Y. What is the position of X with respect to W? With respect to W, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7th to the right, option number 5. Which of the following is the odd one? V and S, one person between them. Y and X, one person between them. Z and Q adjacent. W and V, one person. U and R, one person. What's the answer? Z and Q. Look at this question here. How many persons? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are sitting around a square table. One person is sitting at each corner and middle of each of the sides of the table, and they are all facing the center. All are drawing different amounts as salary. What is the different amounts as salary? First is how much? 10,000. Next 18,000, 25,000, 27,000, 45,000, 53,000, 60,000, 65,000. All the numbers are in thousands. 10, 18, 25, 27, 45, 53, 60 and 65. In the exam also, when you find numbers, please write down the numbers. Enduku? You don't need it to scroll back the screen, so that if you whenever he says minimum least number antodu, least number ante, when you see the numbers, you don't write down, what will happen? You scroll it back to the top. So in this scrolling, there is a problem that you will miss the line that you were reading. Problem వస్తుంది. So numbers ముందే రాసుకోవడం లాభం ఏంటిది? ఊరుకూరికే చెక్ చేసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. Write down the numbers first itself. There is no necessity for us to check the numbers again in the future. Now tell me one point. Is everybody facing the same direction? Chappandamma. So some are sitting in the middle of the side, some are sitting in the corner. I told you, if everybody is facing same direction, shall I do it in this way? Amma? Somewhere or the other you'll get somebody sitting in the middle. Write it down, that fellow is in the middle. From that person, every alternate person will be in the middle. Somebody is in the corner, mark that corner. Every alternate position will be corner. Understood? Please read the lines. Two persons are sitting between B and the one who draws the least amount of salary. What is the least amount of salary? 10,000. How many persons? Two persons. Okay, now? Next line. The salary difference between B and D is 5,000. The salary difference between B and D is 5,000 and what are the numbers which have 5 difference between them? 60 and 65. See, that is what I said. Now, there is no necessary for us to look back Gada, because I have already written the numbers. Next line. B and D are neighbors or not neighbors are? And both are adjacent. E is not sitting at the corner and E is sitting in the middle. E is sitting in the middle of the table. Next line. The one who draws a salary of 2,000 more than C is third to the right of B. Amma, third to the right of B. Anangane, how many persons in between? Chappandamma. 2 persons in between. Already we have information that there are 2 people between B and 10 kada. Avuna kada. So this is B. Third to the right is this position here. And that person is earning how much more? 2,000 more than C. 2,000 more than C. Tell me numbers which have difference between them is 2,000. 25 and 27. And pakka this is 27 kada. Endukante this person is 2,000 more than C. And appudu C value is how much? From this one point we came to know what is the value of C. And the value of the person who is sitting third to the right of B. 2 persons between B and 27. 2 persons between B and 10. 100% guarantee this is 10 kada. Chappali. E can be anywhere. We are not sure where is E. What is the next line? Ma H sits second to the left of E. If this is E, this is H. If this is E, this is H. Yes or no? Why? Because E is an immediate neighbor of B. Are you sure where is E? Wait and see policy. Read the next line. Come on. C and the one who draws the least amount of salary are not immediate neighbors. Who is the least amount of salary? 10. Can I take C here? Can I have C here? No. Because C and 10 are not immediate neighbors. Next line. The one who draws a fewer amount than C is second to the right of C. Fewer amount than C. What is C's number? Amma 25. అంటే fewer amount than C అంటే 18 లేదా 10 అవునా కాదా? Fewer less than C. Less than C is what? Either 18 or 10. But what did he say? The one who draws fewer amount than C is second to the right of C. Second to the right of C. If I put C here, this has to be 18. Avuna kada? Why? Because we can't go for 10. 10 is somewhere else. Can I have C here? No. Can I have C here? Yes. Can I have C here? No. And C has how many possibilities? Only 2 possibilities. Maybe this is C or this is C. Avuna kada? Chapandama. Next line chadu. 2 persons are sitting between C and A. Next line. D and A are not immediate neighbors. F earns more amount than D. F is earning more amount than D, but not H. F is not earning more than H. Earlier, I told you one very important point. If this is E, 100% guarantee this is H. And H will become the person having least salary. But if you look at this point here, H is having salary more than 2 persons. Can H be the having? Can H have the least amount of salary? No. Ante pakka, this is E, this is H. When that is H, this cannot be C kada. 100% guarantee this is C and this is 18. Are you all able to understand? Everyone, 2 persons between C and A. Already there is H, so pakka this is A. D and A, immediate neighbors are not immediate neighbors are not immediate neighbors. So 100% guarantee this is D. Is this clear to you all? Everyone? Any doubts? Chapandamma. Next line chadu. F earns more amount than D but not H. H who is not immediate to the one who draws highest amount of salary. What is the highest amount of salary? 65. B and D can be either 65 or 60. So compulsory this is 60, this is 65. Ante kada? Who is left out here? There are 2 persons who are left out. Can you please tell me what are the names of those 2 persons? Amma? F and G. F and G. F salary is more than D kada? Now can F be 18? No. This is F. This is C is how much? 25. What are the numbers that are left out? 2 numbers are left out. What are 2 numbers? 45, 53. So who is 53? H. Because H is having more salary than F. How many possibilities? Only 1 possibility. Is this clear to everyone? How many persons draw more amount than F? What is F salary? 45. How many are more than 45? 3. Who is facing the one who draws second highest number? What is the second highest number? 60. Who is opposite to 60? G. What is the position of G from the one who draws least amount? Who is least amount? 10. Position of G, immediate left. Is it immediate left? Because everybody is facing the center. Be careful. H draws how much? How much is H drawing? 53. Which one of the following is the odd one? G 10,000, G 10,000 are adjacent, F 53,000 adjacent, B 65,000 adjacent, C 27,000 adjacent, E 18,000. Are they adjacent? No. There are 2 people between them. Okay? Is this clear?